Is that a weave? Is that your real hair? Bundles, bundles, bundles. Hit that plug up for the bundles.
What's good, y'all? So welcome back to my channel. I did my makeup for the first time in a very long time, but that's not what this video was about. Today I'm going to show you guys two of my favorite go-to lip combos, and also if you have smaller lips or you want your lips to look a little bit more full, I'm going to show you guys how to do that as well. So today I'm just using a couple of products from Black Radiance. This is their Perfect Tone SPF 15 lip gloss, and then I have their Perfect Tone matte lip color, and this is the color Red Carpet, and this is a matte lipstick. And then I have their Eye Appeal Kajal eyeliner. Like I said, all these products are from Black Radiance, and quick side note, the foundation that I have on today is also from Black Radiance. So let's just get right into the lips. So the first one that I'm gonna do is like the reddish one. So for this one, let me wipe off my lips first because I definitely have on cocoa butter. Like, I can't stop looking at myself because, like, not to sound like cocky or nothing, like, I look banging. Like, I ain't did my makeup like eyeshadow in a minute. So this is what the eyeliner looks like when you take it off. Like, this whole top part right there, the point is actually the eyeliner. So I'm gonna use it as a lip liner today instead of eyeliner, but it's okay. I'm gonna grab my mirror so I can see. And the first step with this one, this is more just showing you guys this one, I don't really try to make my lips look bigger with this because red is a bold color anyway. So for the next lip that I show you guys, that's going to be the one to show you guys how to make your lips look a little bigger. But for this one, I'm just showing you guys how to get that ombre-ish reddish lip look. So I'm just lining my lips, and I'm not doing a straight line. I'm actually kind of dabbing it because this eyeliner is like really like a silky finish. So a little can go a long way. But I'm just outlining my lip by dabbing it. And I know this looks crazy, but it's okay. So after I do the complete outside, I'm going to just add a couple black dots going towards the middle. Okay. Now that that is finished, let me close this up. I'm gonna rub my lips together. And you can also use your like finger to help and blend it in a little bit. Like so. So it looks like I'm almost gonna have a black lipstick, but I'm not. I'm gonna add like a little bit more down here. Okay, so now that that is done, literally you can use whatever eyeliner you want, but this one's like really silky, and it has the same finish and feel as the actual lipstick that I'm finna use, so that's why I use this one. So like I said, I'm using the matte lip color called Red Carpet, and I'm just going to put this on mostly in the middle, and then I'm gonna cover up the black a little bit. Okay, and you'll see it start to kind of look in a little ombre. And you just keep going back and forth with the two colors till you get the look you're going for. So I think it's pretty lit. I'm gonna add a little bit more black. Like so. And This is how I normally get my ombre reddish look going for my lips, for my makeup looks. So I'm gonna let you guys pick. You can pick whether or not you like the ombre one or the glossy one. I'll finish show you guys next. So let me pose a little bit for y'all so y'all can see and decide if y'all feeling this one or the next one. Okay guys, so I'm back. I had to go take some pictures and stuff, you know, because I was looking cute. But I'm finna go in with these Global Beauty Care makeup wipes. Ooh, they're the Dead Sea makeup wipes. And I'm finna just wipe this lipstick off. So it's gonna be real quiet in here because I'm gonna be concentrating.
She like I smell cologne, yeah, just how the deal I'm on. Yeah, yeah, in the mail it's gone. She like I smell cologne, yeah, just how the deal I'm on. Yeah, yeah.
All right, so now for this one, you guys can go on with literally any brown pencil, eyeliner, lip liner. It doesn't matter what it is as long as it's brown. And you're gonna go in, and this is where making your lips look bigger comes in, okay? My lips are already big, but to make them look like Bratz doll lips, this is what I do. So what you want to do is literally overline your lips a little bit more than you normally would. Don't outline them, but you're gonna just watch, okay? So the bottom is pretty normal. I kind of just go under this line here, but then at the top I like to also make it like an M. Just watch, guys. My Cupid's bow right here, I like define that to the max. So let's get into it.
Feature unavailable. Please log into your Amazon account using the iHome AVS app.
So you start by making your M, and you can already see that it's kind of like defined. And then you're gonna line outside of your lips. Like so.
Feature unavailable. Please log into your Amazon account using the
Alexa
iHome
gotta
AVS
go.
app.
Same thing, I'm literally lining outside of my lips, so it makes it look like that. Like I just got lips falling out. That's the start. Now, oh, I shouldn't have licked my lips. Gonna add some in on the sides, like we did with the black. And if you guys don't have this kind of stuff, like if you have, oh, you can do it with eyeliner or anything, because sometimes I don't be having my pencils with me. Oh my gosh, this is just breaking. Y'all, ew. Stop playing with me, yo. Then they got the nerve to run out. I'm back. I just had to get a different one. Like I said, it just has to be brown. So you just kind of fill it in. Add a little bit more extra. Rub your lips together to see what you're working with. Like so.
Feature unavailable. Please log into your Amazon account using the iHome AVS app.
Oh, I keep saying like so. And she thinks I'm saying like so, but I'm not. Once you do that, you're gonna go on with your lip gloss, and this is in the color Urban Nude. And I'm just going to apply that. Like so. And then,
Feature unavailable.
oh my god.
Please log into your Amazon account using the iHome AVS app.
Gotta stop saying that. And kind of just rub your lips together. See what you're working with. And there you go. This is like my go-to lip though. Y'all know whenever I do my makeup, I always have like a nudish kind of thing going on, but my lips be looking like super popping. And this is how I get it right here. Okay. So yeah, that's basically how I give myself the Brad's Doll lips. I mean, I think they're Brad's Doll lips, but if you don't think so, that's fine. But yeah, just a quick lip video because y'all be asking me about my lip gloss and my lip stuff all the time. So I wanted to let y'all in on a little bit of a couple of my secrets and also my favorite lip combos. With this combo, you can of course use any lip gloss you want on top, but as long as you have some type of brown liner. And then for the ombre lip, you do the same thing for any other color that you want to make ombre, and you can also use brown for that as well. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, the products that I used are from Black Radiance. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you. Love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Mwah.
Mine, I bought it, it's 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 mine.